How to optimize inference with Claude, best practices. Learn to reduce costs and improve performance in AI operations with optimized inference strategies.
Have you ever wondered how some companies manage to run their AI models so efficiently while keeping costs low? Welcome to our deep dive on optimizing inference with Claude. In this video, we'll explore how effective inference optimization can drastically reduce operational costs and significantly enhance your application's performance. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with strategies to make your AI operations more efficient and faster than ever before. Let's get started. Before we dive into optimization, let's understand the fundamentals of inference cost and latency. Inference cost refers to the expenses incurred when deploying and running AI models, including computational resources and time. Latency, on the other hand, is the delay between input and response. These two factors are critical because they directly impact user experience and operational budgets. Balancing them requires understanding their interplay. High latency can frustrate users, while high costs can drain resources. Our goal is to minimize both without sacrificing performance. This balance is crucial for any AI-driven business aiming for success. Claude stands out in the AI landscape with its robust optimization features. At its core, Claude offers tools that streamline inference processes, making them both cost-effective and efficient. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and quick adjustments. Real-time analytics provide insights into performance, helping identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. The platform is scalable, catering to both small and large-scale operations. Understanding and leveraging these features can transform your AI deployment, making it more responsive and less resource-intensive. Implementing cost-effective inference strategies is essential for sustainable AI operations. Start by prioritizing model efficiency. Ensure your models are as lean as possible without losing accuracy. Claude's scaling features allow you to allocate resources dynamically, adjusting to current demands without overspending. Batch processing can also be a game changer, reducing costs by processing multiple requests simultaneously. Finally, consider how you deploy your models. Efficient deployment can significantly cut down on unnecessary expenses, allowing you to reinvest in further improvements.
Latency can make or break the user experience. Identifying the root causes of latency is the first step in addressing it. Network bandwidth, computational power, and model complexity all play roles. Claude offers tools specifically designed to tackle these issues. By using optimized algorithms and efficient coding practices, you can significantly reduce delays. This not only improves the user experience but also enhances your application's repeatability. Remember, continuous monitoring and tweaking are essential to maintaining low latency as demands change. Achieving the perfect balance between cost and performance is the ultimate goal in AI operations. This often involves making trade-offs that maximize efficiency without breaking the bank. Using Claude's optimization features can guide you in finding this balance. By analyzing performance data and costs, you can make informed decisions about where to invest resources. Successful operations often involve adapting strategies as needs evolve, ensuring that both performance and cost remain in harmony. Monitoring and adjusting inference settings is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Regular monitoring allows for the identification of inefficiencies and the implementation of timely adjustments. Claude provides powerful monitoring tools that deliver real-time insights into your AI operations. Feedback loops are essential, offering ongoing data that informs further tweaks and improvements. Continuous optimization ensures that your systems remain efficient, responsive, and cost-effective in a dynamic environment.
Let's explore some real-world case studies where Claude has been leveraged for successful inference optimization. In one instance, a financial services company faced escalating costs and latency issues. By integrating Claude, they implemented strategic adjustments that reduced costs by 30% and latency by 40%. This was achieved through efficient resource allocation and model optimization. These results highlight the tangible benefits of proper inference optimization and the pivotal role Claude plays in achieving them. The key takeaway is that with the right tools and strategies, significant improvements are possible. The future of AI inference optimization is bright, with several exciting trends on the horizon. Emerging technologies such as quantum computing promise to revolutionize how we approach inference, potentially reducing costs and latency to unprecedented levels. Advances in AI models continue to push boundaries, offering more efficient and powerful solutions. Claude is committed to staying at the forefront of these developments, continually updating its features to align with the latest advancements. Staying informed and adaptable will be key to leveraging these future trends for sustained success.
In conclusion, mastering inference optimization with Claude is within your reach. By understanding the fundamentals, leveraging Claude's features, and implementing cost-effective and latency-reducing strategies, you can enhance your AI operations. We encourage you to put these techniques into practice and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into advanced AI optimization techniques.